Hey, real estate investors, this is another deal that we're working right now. This is in Meridian, Mississippi. This is a performing note that we actually can buy at a discount off of what's owed. Now, the great thing about buying performing notes, we're actually buying this from another note investor who had a fund, purchased over 300 notes, one of our past students, which we're really proud of. But he's got a portfolio of about 15 notes that he needs to get rid of. And this is included. It's a smaller balance note. It's actually at a 9.9% interest. I thought it was actually a contract for D, but it's actually a first lien. It's occupied. As you can see, it's in good shape. Now, it's not the biggest of houses. It's in Meridian, Mississippi, not the biggest of metropolises, but since I've been paying on time through a third-party servicer, it's a great little opportunity for you to put an IRA to work. They don't owe them a lot, literally under about $12,000. But it's an opportunity. If you can buy that performing note at a discount, you can easily get a double-digit return for a short period of time in your IRA. We're not talking to knock it out of the park and retire on this, but this is a great way to put some lazy asses to work, and you don't have to have a huge amount of money to buy a bunch of notes. This is just one note. It's one of 12 we'll be profiling over the next couple of weeks. But if you're interested in learning more about how to find these types of deals, then definitely check out our website, weclosenotes.com. Or check out our podcast, The Note Closer Show, anywhere you listen to podcasts. But this is just one little deal. Got a bunch more we'll be profiling, showing you that you can find these deals at discounts that turn into above average returns for your HIP National Bank, your self-directed IRA, your certificate of disappointment that you need to move into something that's turning a good yield for you. So first lien, owner occupied, less than 33 cents on the dollar of what's